In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Depop on Windows. To begin, you need to open a web browser. This could be Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome, or Mozilla Firefox. Each of these browsers is widely used and will provide you a smooth experience. When you launch your chosen browser, you will see a clean interface with a search bar at the top. This is where you will enter the website address. Taking a moment to choose the right browser is important because it can affect how fast and efficiently the site loads. Next, you will navigate to the Depop website. In the address bar, type in www.depop.com and hit the Enter key. As you do this, your browser will load the Depop homepage. Here you will see a vibrant layout showcasing various items for sale. This is where the magic happens, as you can browse through countless listings. Understanding how to access the website directly sets the foundation for all your future activities on Depop. After the homepage loads, you will need to sign into your Depop account. If you already have an account, click on the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Enter your credentials, which typically include your email address and password. If you are new to Depop, you can create a new account easily by clicking on the Sign Up option. This will allow you to join a community of millions of users. Signing in or creating an account is crucial because it gives you the ability to buy, sell, and manage your listings effectively. Once you are signed in, you can start browsing items, buying, selling, and managing your listings directly from the website. The interface is user-friendly, allowing you to search for specific items or explore categories. You can click on individual listings for more details, including images and descriptions. This step is where you can engage with the marketplace. Being able to interact directly with the listings makes your shopping experience enjoyable and efficient. Now, if you prefer an app-like experience on Windows, there is an alternative option. You can install the Depop website as a progressive web app, or PWA. This is possible through supported browsers like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome. To do this, look for the browser's Install App option, usually found in the Settings or menu. This creates a standalone window for Depop. Utilizing a PWA can enhance your experience, making it feel more like using a native application. Keep in mind that while this PWA offers convenience, it is still the official website, not a native Windows application. However, it allows you to have quick access to Depop without opening your browser each time. This feature is particularly useful for frequent users of the platform. Understanding the distinctions between a PWA and a traditional app helps set realistic expectations. In conclusion, you have successfully learned how to access Depop on Windows. From opening a browser to signing in and even installing a PWA, each step plays an important role in your overall experience. With these skills, you are now ready to explore the world of Depop, where you can buy and sell unique items. Enjoy your time on the platform and happy shopping!